Hello everyone, my name is Aryan Fadia. In this video, I will explain test management monitoring and defect management, which are two essential components in ensuring the quality of software during the testing lifecycle. I will cover the key concept, important points, and one real-world case study help to illustrate how organizations successfully implement this practice. Concept of testing management monitoring. What is test monitoring? Test monitoring is the process of tracking and measuring the progress and performance of testing activities. It answers questions like, are we on schedule? Are we finding too many or too few defects? Is this testing team meeting the defined test coverage? Purpose of test monitoring: defect deviation from the test plan early, provide visibility to stakeholders, ensure testing stays aligned with project goals, support decision making such as continuing testing or stopping it. What is monitored? Common metrics include number of test cases executed, passed vs value, test case, test coverage, percentage, defect detection rate, testing productivity, overall test progress. Concept of test management or defect management. What is defect management? Defect management is a structured process to identify, record, categories, priorities, resolve, and track defect found during testing. A defect can be an error, a deviation from requirements, unexpected behavior, missing functionality. Phase of defect management. Defect number 1, defect identification. Tester find a bug during execution. Number 2, defect logging. Defect is recorded in defect tracking tool like Bugzilla, Azure DevOps. Number 3, defect categories: functional, UI/UX, performance, security, and others. Number 4, defect prioritization and severity. Priority: how quickly it needs to be fixed, and severity: how big it impacts its own system. Number 5, defect assignment: assigned to right developer. Number 6, defect fixing: developer resolve the issue. Number 7, retesting and regression testing: tester verifies fix and ensure no new issues appear. Number 8, defect closure: close on after confirmation that the defect is fully resolved. Key point for monitoring and defect management. Here are the most important highlights. Monitoring key point. Number 1, continuous tracking from start to end. Number 2, use of dashboard to visualize progress. Number 3, metrics must be meaningful and measurable. Number 4, help ensure the test plan stay on the track. Number 5, allow early detection of risks. Defect management key points. Number 1, defect lifecycle must be clearly defined. Number 2, proper communication between QA and developer. Number 3, each defect must be logged with complete details, step to reproduce information and screenshot. Number 4, avoid the duplicate defect. Number 5, ensure consistent prioritization. Number 6, tools like Jira help automate workflows. Why both are important? Monitoring ensures the testing process is effective. Defect management ensures product quality improve continuity. Both ensure stakeholders get transparency and confidence about project readiness. Real world case study. Jira defect management in large-scale e-commerce platform. Context: a large Southeast Asia e-commerce company was preparing for a major campaign similar to 11.11 or 12.12. The system had to handle millions of transactions and very high user traffic. Problem faced. Number one, the company found critical performance defect, especially slow checkout and payment timeouts. Number 2, without proper defect management and monitoring, this problem could cause huge revenue losses during the campaign. Implementation: centralized defect tracking with Jira. Every defect was logged with severity, priority, using screenshot, test environment, and exact reproduction step. Number 2, daily monitoring dashboard. Number of defects overnight, number of defects resolved, number of blockers, the progress via schedule leads, and managers review this daily. Root cause meeting. Number 3, root cause meeting. Developers and tester performance daily triages to prioritize the most critical issue. Number 4, regression cycle. After every fix, automated tests were run to ensure checkout, chart, and payment flows work without the new issue. Result, blocker and critical defects were reduced by 19% before campaign day. The system handled peak traffic without downtime, sales increased significantly, and the customer complaints dropped. The company used the same monitoring and defect management model for future releases. Key takeaway: effective monitoring and defect management can prevent high-impact failures and ensure product stability in real-world environments. 6. Conclusion. Summarize: test monitoring helps track progress and ensure the testing process stay on track. Defect management provides a structured approach to identifying and resolving issues. Together, they improve software quality, reduce risk, and ensure successful product releases. Real-world companies rely on this process to prevent critical failures, especially in high-stake environment. Thank you for watching, and hopefully this explanation helps you complete the assignment.